Hello guys, and welcome to this new video. Today I will show you another withdrawal from Peer2Profit, but given that the previous withdrawal was made from my computer, I will show you how to make the withdrawal through the Peer2Profit bot, so from Telegram. In order to place a withdrawal from the Telegram bot of Peer2Profit, you just need to click here on Order a Payout. And then you have to choose the withdrawal method. I reached a few more than $2, so I can choose whatever of these 6 methods here. Given that previously I already withdrawn Trons, I will use Trons this time too. Of course, I need to copy the address. Select here Trons, and here you have to paste your wallet address. This is my Faucetbravo wallet address, so we will be able to see this transaction into my Faucetbravo account. So now I just click here on Order Payout, and I insert here the security code that they sent me to my email. Now that I inserted the code, I can click on Withdraw Funds, and the payout has been completed. So for the moment, okay, this is the last payout. As you can see, the status is sent, and once it will be completed, we will see it on my Faucetbravo account too. So as you can see here from my Faucetbravo account, you can see that the Trons sent from Peer2Profit have been received my account. It took around 5 minutes to receive them, so it was very quickly as always, and that's it. It is very easy either to withdraw from Peer2Profit, either from the website or from the application, from the Telegram bot. However, it seems that they finished supporting the website, so you can now use Peer2Profit only from the Telegram bot. Of course, feel free to leave a comment below if you have any question, and put a like to the video if you appreciate it, and join the channel if you wish. Thank you for your attention. See you in the next video.